everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Happy to have you. I've actually never done this video before. Usually, or I guess like lately, I've been doing a lot of updates or redos of videos I've done in the past, and this is a first for me. This is a new one. We've never done this on this channel before, so it's kind of exciting, kind of new, but today's video is going to be 50 plus pillow crochet ideas. So if you've been wanting to make a pillow, here you are. This is actually one of my favorite pillows I've made, and it's actually an applique pattern for the circle, and then I sewed it onto a fabric pillow that I also made with some scrap fabric, but very, very cute. But I am a big fan of crocheting pillows. I feel like they're such a good way to kind of add some personality and whimsy to your bedroom or your apartment or your couch or whatever you're gonna add it to. They also make really good gifts if you have a friend whose birthday's coming up, because you can pick a pillow style or pillow based off something they really like. As always, if any of these are yours and you don't want them promoted in this video, let me know on Instagram or shoot me a quick email. As always, everything I'm showing you is going to be linked in the description box below in the order that I'm showing it to you, linked to a free or paid written or video tutorial so you can make everything that I'm showing you. And I'm going to be tagging everything either free or paid with my cute little tags, so you will know before you ever click anything if it's going to be free or paid. Also, this video is split pretty 50-50 on how many free and paid patterns we have, so no categories, we're just jumping right into pillows. Let's start with our first pattern. The first pattern I have for you is this moon pillow. Very cute and a very simple construction. If you just have some blanket yarn laying around, you don't even really need that much, you can make this pillow. There's also the apple pillow, good gift for teachers or anybody who likes apples. And then I thought this ice cream sandwich one was kind of fun and a little unique compared to what we usually have on here. And then we've got vampire fangs for all of my vampire lovers. This specific art reminds me of True Blood, but if you have a friend who is a Twilight fan, or if you're the Twilight fan, this is a good thing to make. We also have Toadstool for cottagecore out there. Before I show you the next pattern, I just want to talk about my mail club really quick. I do a monthly mail club where I send you a postcard, a punch card, a sticker, and a letter, and a bunch of other little goodies. I've been doing curated playlists and sometimes like coloring sheets as well, and junk journal pieces to put in your junk journal, but it's all curated and fun and created by me. Every month there's a theme, and you sign up in the month before you receive it. So if you're signing up in July, you receive August, the first week of August, and that's just kind of how it works. But if you're interested, you can go to scaredycat.shop and sign up today, or refer it to a friend if you know someone who'd be interested. You can also make Halloween sugar cookie based square pillows. Super cute. I see these ones cycle around every Halloween season, and although we're currently in summer, I'm celebrating Summerween, so I'm including some Halloween ones in here. Plus, this video will be on my channel for a while. So this is also a cute little donut. And then I've got you some simple ones. This is called the Step Up pillow. Just ones if you want to add a pillow, but you don't necessarily want it to be food related or fandom related. Then I got you some simple ones too. We've got a twinkle star shape. We've got peppermint swirl for the holidays coming up. You can make this blue bell meadow pillow, which reminds me kind of cottagecore, grandma core. Very cute if you're in kind of like a southern farmhouse. And then this one is Brighter Days. There's actually two different styles, the flower style and then the more like cylinder style. Then we've got circle in the square, very literal, but a circle in the square pillow. And then this field of flowers is actually on my to be crocheted list, so I'm excited to make this one. And this one's also really good for scrap yarn. If you have a lot of like small pieces of yarn or small bits of yarn, you can't really do a whole project with them, then the flower one's good because you're making individual flowers and then attaching them. You can also make this maker pillow. If you're here, then you're a maker, so make this for yourself or someone else you know is a maker. And then we've got the Luxe Pillow Trio. Again, a kind of more simple, laid-back style of pillow if you're not really looking for food item or fandom style pillows. You can make this heart of palm pillow with it's a heart shaped with little pom-poms all the way around the edge. Really, really cute. And then we've got another trio with different kinds of stitching, perfect for those of you who have kind of beige and neutral tones in your house or your apartment, or you're making it for a friend who has that kind of style in their apartment. This is a heart cushion. I've actually made this one before. I'll try and find my picture of it. I don't know where it ended up. I think I gave it to a friend, but I did make that. And then you can make this chunky knot. I know those are really popular right now, store-bought versions anyways. And you can also make this Miffy pillow. Very cute, very soft when you use soft blanket yarn. You can also make this yay exclamation point pillow set. Very cute letters. You can make this strawberry. You can make this strawberry plush pillow, or you can make this butterfly. I've showed you this butterfly before in previous videos, and every time I say I'm gonna make it, I haven't made it yet, but it's still on my to be crocheted, so maybe eventually. Maybe that'll be the next project I do. Let me know in the comments if you want to see me do that one. You can also make pea pods or crab rangoons. My dad loves these. I just thought it was really funny to include if you want a kind of fun, if you have one of those apartments that's like funky and like odd, unique items in your apartment, that would be cute. You can also make a star like this one. You can make the Halloween sugar cookies, but in a circle shape instead of a square, more like the actual cookie. You can make a Spider-Man pillow. Fun fact, I'm currently watching all of the Marvel movies in order of like universe chronology, not in order of release. So I've been making my way through, and I just finished the third Spider-Man movie. I think it's No Way Home. I just finished it, and part of me wants to do a Marvel 50 crochet ideas, but I don't know how many of you would want that. So if you're a Marvel fan, let me know in the comments, and if there are enough of you, I'll put together a 50 Marvel crochet ideas, because I'm really in the mood to do that, but none of you guys have requested one before, so I want to make sure it's something you guys want. You can also make a retro flower, or this pumpkin pillow, perfect for summerween, fall, or if you're one of those people who celebrates fall year round. I follow a lot of those people on TikTok. I love it. You can make this starfish with blanket yarn, or if the Halloween sugar cookies weren't enough for you and you want to make like a set, you can make these Christmas ones as well. You can make a jack-o'-lantern pillow or a mushroom pillow. I think this is from Mario Bros, pretty sure. You can make a pie. I can't look at a picture of pie or anything similar to a picture of pie without thinking of Dean Winchester, and I think that's just the curse of being a Supernatural fan. But you can also make a Hocus Pocus pillow, both for Halloween or just in general. You can make a sun pillow. You can make a garlic bag throw pillow, which I thought was really fun, especially for super vampire lovers. You can make a candy cane pillow for Christmas, or this jack-o'-lantern ghost duo pair of pillows for Halloween, or a backrest pillow. I love this because you can stuff it with like old clothes that are too bad to donate, but you don't want to throw them away, and maybe you don't sew. You can stuff them with that, or I've seen people make things like this and also ottomans and stuff them with like their winter jackets in the summer and then their swimsuits in the winter as like storage, but also useful. Very cool. You can make this monster flower, which it's advertised as a monster flower, but it looks has a striking resemblance to the Demogorgon from Stranger Things. So I have a feeling that's what it is, but she, for copyright reasons, is marketing it as a monster flower. So if you want to make this monster flower as a Stranger Things fan, that's for you. And then you can make this shark, pretty cool. And then I got a set of 3 for you, star, moon, and strawberry. And then we've got a spooky pillow. Can you tell that I want it to be fall based off of the things I've chosen for this video? I think I'm itching for fall because like 50% of these are full, but that's dramatic. Probably like 10%, but still. You can do a read more books bobble stitch pillow, or you can do this shark pillow with a pocket for kids to put books in. You can do a seashell, and looks like we got different sizes. You can also do these cherries. So cute. Love the cherries. And then a film strip. Good for your friend who's a film major, or if you're a film major, or you just really like watching movies or hosting movie nights at your house. Fun little addition to your couch. You can also make the spirit board piece. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Every time I look at a pillow pattern and I see the blanket yarn, I know what that feels like. And it's so soft, and I want to make it. Problem is, I'm on a no buying ban right now. Yes, we know. Paige, you bring it up in every video. I know, but I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself because we're in July and I still haven't bought any yarn. Applaud me. Yes, like this video. If you're proud of me, I know, it's insane. But I have like nothing to make anything with, so I don't have enough blanket yarn to make any of these pillows. So I may be breaking my no buying ban just to make a pillow, but we'll see. And that is all the pillow crochet patterns that I have for you. Like I said in the beginning, everything I showed you is linked to a free or paid written or video tutorial in the description box down below in the order that I showed you, so you can make everything I showed you. If there's any issues, let me know in the comments and I can fix broken links or anything like that. Other than that, comment down below any crochet idea you want to see that you haven't seen yet, and check out my mail club. Could be fun.